Two main things we are tracking for you into a Friday will be a return of some rain, could even include a few thunderstorms, and the winds are going to continue to stay on the gusty side. Here's a look at those numbers getting into the day tomorrow. We are expecting the winds to even be a little bit stronger compared to where we were from earlier this afternoon. Numbers peaking right there to near 35 to potentially even 40+ miles per hour. Those stronger winds are going to be more prevalent the closer you are to the immediate lakeshore. And we're also tracking a little bit more rain back in the forecast. We've had a few lake effect showers out there from earlier this afternoon. Still could talk about that activity at least into the evening. More so in a spotty to isolated fashion. But here comes a better chance for some rain. It's another system off to the west, especially once we're getting past the midnight hour. Here we go into early Friday morning. Pretty much right when we're getting you out the door, 5, 6, near 7 o'clock. That does look to be the best time frame. We could see a little bit more in the way of some scattered to numerous showers and even a few rumbles. Not completely out of the question. So sending the kids off with the bus or with the rain gear as you are getting out the door for your Friday morning. Commute's probably going to have at least some wet roadways starting it off into the day on Friday. Things we'll keep in mind for you getting you out the door for tomorrow. Main bulk of the rain moves out by Friday afternoon, and then we're just left with a few more lake effect showers getting right there into your Friday afternoon by the evening. So coverage of the rain becomes a lot lesser the later we're getting into the day. Bigger story for the second half of your Friday still will be those winds coming in from the west, anywhere from potentially near 35 to even near 40 miles per hour, and a little bit more of the west northwesterly direction with our wind carrying into the weekend will also give us that isolated chance for at least a few more lake effect showers and probably even still a few more lake effect clouds Saturday getting into the day on Sunday. Live weather stations outside right now keep us on the cooler side. Everett right now only into the upper 50s. Current temperature right now at 59. South-southwest wind at about 5 miles per hour. Pickford to the north also talking about some mid-50s. Current temperature sits right there at 56. Here's where we'll go past midnight tonight. Still on the chilly side. 40s farther inland. Lakeshore communities still a touch warmer, some low 50s. A better chance for some more widespread rain moves in past midnight into your Friday morning. Could even include a few thunderstorms. So, again, sending the kids off with the rain gear for the bus stops tomorrow. The umbrella not going to be a bad idea as we start off your Friday. Now, the rain chances becoming a little bit more isolated by the afternoon, transitioning more to a little bit more in the way of some lake effect showers. And temperatures still with that wind, it's going to be feeling cooler out there. Mid to upper 50s for the actual air temperature. But when you factor in that wind gust, you probably can knock off 5 or 10 degrees from these actual numbers. Western lower your actual temperatures by the afternoon tomorrow, mid-50s to a few low 60s. That's the extent of the heat. Could include a few more low 60s as we take you right there towards the sunrise side. But again, with that wind, that's still going to make it feel a little bit cooler than the actual air temperature is for tomorrow afternoon. Similar temperatures even as we take you right there into some of our central counties, taking you right throughout your Friday. Again, some upper 50s, low 60s. That's it for the heat into your Friday afternoon. And the chill will stick around, Adam, as we go throughout the weekend. 50s, 60s, Saturday, Sunday, spotty lake effect showers. Slightly warmer. We'll call it slightly. 60s could include a few low 70s by next Tuesday and Wednesday.